What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia K5 Smart Key remote fob. This Kia K5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change our key fob battery is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use the emergency key to pry up on the back cover. So the front has the Kia logo, and on the back cover has no logo on it. So taking a look at the bottom, I'm going to pry against this tab right here that you see the end of my key on. So get your emergency key under that tab, and then just pry up like that. And then we can go ahead and pull the back cover off. And in our back cover, we see our battery right here. And I'm just going to use the key to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of its holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, like that. Go ahead and snap that into place. Then we can snap the back cover on the key fob. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.